Hello and welcome to EllAstrology, and today I'm going to tell you about the planet Pluto and the effect that it has on your birth chart in astrology. Pluto is a dwarf planet that exists on the outer edge of our solar system. Pluto is the furthest planet in our solar system, and it is also invisible to the naked eye. Because Pluto is so far away, and because Pluto is so far from the Sun, one can say that it is a hidden planet, as you do not actually get to see it. So if you look at where Pluto is placed in our solar system, it's on the outer edge and it is hidden. The same can be said for the qualities that it represents in us. It represents the side of ourselves that is usually hidden. So this is the side of ourselves that we don't usually show to the world. Depending on how your Pluto is placed, you can either be a person who is incredibly aware of your own shadow side and your own hidden inner side, or you could be completely oblivious to it and not be aware of it at all. So for example, I have my moon in a conjunction with Pluto. This basically means that all the darker hidden sides to myself usually get exposed to me through my emotions. With a moon and a Pluto conjunction, I tend to have a very increased awareness of what my darker inclinations are, and it is also very difficult for me to hide these things in my emotions. Depending on how your Pluto is aspected, it will manifest itself in a different area in your life. The area in my life where the Pluto energy is manifested is in my emotions. So for example, if your Pluto aspects your Venus, it could be that the Pluto energy manifests itself in your relationships. So for each person it is different depending on how Pluto is aspected in your natal charts. So Pluto is a very difficult planet to understand in astrology, and personally it took me a very long time to understand its symbolism and what it represents. I had to go through some personal experience with this planet in order to actually understand what it is all about. Now to get started, like I mentioned earlier, Pluto is a hidden planet. So Pluto does represent the parts inside ourselves that we aren't aware of, to an extent. What is amazing about this planet is it also symbolizes how we need to go into the darker sides of ourselves. We need to go into our shadow sides. We need to unearth it. We need to look into it and explore it in order for us to actually unearth and get to our greatest potential and our highest inner truth. So for example, let's say that your inner truth is a thick layer of ground with a gold mine at the bottom. So Pluto basically represents the struggle that you are going to have to go through in order to penetrate through the thick layer of ground, the thick layer of rocks on. As you can imagine, digging through rock is not easy. So Pluto represents this penetrative energy that's able to literally push itself through anything, destroy anything, in order to eventually reach the bottom, which in this example is the gold mine. So without the struggle of having to penetrate through the rock, without the struggle of going through all the blood, sweat, and tears of working hard and actually moving through the rocky surface, without actually having to do that, you will not reach the gold mine at the bottom. Eventually, when you have broken through the rocky surface, you do reach the gold mine. So the same can be said for Pluto energy and how it works. Pluto energy represents a very deep, intense struggle that you will have to go through in order to find and unearth the treasure or the truth at the bottom. For some people, this can manifest in different ways. It is said that Pluto represents taboo topics, but the reason for this is because in a lot of cases, people need to discover these taboo topics. People need to go through the hardships and the lesson that these things teach them in order for them to actually discover and find themselves. For example, Pluto represents sexuality. It also represents death and rebirth. So with a very strong aspected Pluto in chart, a person will have to go through many transformative sexual experiences in order for them to actually discover themselves, especially if this Pluto is placed in Scorpio. Without these transformative sexual experiences, it is difficult for the native to actually figure out who they are, where they belong, and how they connect with other people, and what their ultimate purpose and role is. The same can be said for how Pluto represents the occult. So in many cases, people need to learn the teachings of the occult. They need to learn esoteric teachings in order for them to eventually find their true inner self. Without the guidance of these esoteric teachings and occult, it can be very difficult for a person to actually find the right guidance they need to find themselves. Pluto is also known to be a planet that destroys. It's a planet of destruction. So wherever it is placed in your natal chart, you will experience lots of destruction in that area of your life. It will almost be as if there is some kind of death and rebirth cycle, like the phoenix in this area of your life, where you will be reborn, you will soar, you'll do great, and then you'll go through hardships and difficulties until you die, and then you become reborn again. So for example, a person who has their Pluto in the second house will be a person who will accumulate lots of wealth, lots of money throughout their life. They'll have lots of disposable cash. They'll have a constant flow of income until some point of their life, this flow of income is cut off from them. They have no more access to cash. They cannot live the lifestyle that they need to live. And then they have to literally transform and recreate themselves in terms of how they spend their money and how they reach a sense of value through their external environment. This can be difficult for a person if a person has been used to having access to a lot of money, having access to lots of abundance and disposable cash. However, suddenly they don't. In this aspect, this native will have to learn to recreate themselves, to be reborn in the aspect of money and how they spend their money throughout their lives. Maybe if the flow of money is not as constant, they'll have to be more conscious of how they spend things. They'll have to think of ways to budget, ways to save. But the area of money and their actual worth in terms of what they have physically is something that will be changed and will be shaken up throughout their life. So this is an example of how Pluto goes and it changes you in your life. It really changes whatever aspects of your life it touches, and it forces you to have to go through some transformative period and to have to be reborn again, but with higher knowledge and greater power. Pluto is also the planet that can show a lot of the darker sides to the human personality in a natal chart. So Pluto can represent where emotions such as jealousy, hatred, obsession, anxiety, worry, and isolation present itself in a native. What is very important to bear in mind is that the native has to learn to improve and better themselves through these negative emotions. So for example, if the native experiences jealousy because their Pluto is placed in such a position that they will, what the native needs to learn is to find their ultimate inner value, to find their own true self-value and self-worth that cannot be affected or afflicted by their external environment, by any circumstance or any other person. So this is something this native will have to work on. But through this negative emotion of jealousy, they will eventually learn to transform themselves and become stronger. So Pluto basically represents taking something negative and turning it into something positive. As a planet of change and transformation, Pluto usually encourages change in you at your core. So when you experience some kind of life-changing event, life-changing experience that is brought on by a Pluto transit, this is an event or experience that will really change who you are inside yourself. So you will not temporarily think differently, you will not temporarily feel differently. When there is a transit or an aspect with Pluto, it affects you and it changes the core of your being. That is why Pluto is known as a planet of transformation, because when there are significant transits to Pluto in relation to your natal charts, that is when you will go through your most relevant transformative periods throughout your life. And it's actually very helpful to know when you go through these Pluto transits, as it can help you plan beforehand and understand why you are going through certain things at certain points in your life. I'm sure you have all heard this saying that the truth will set you free. That is basically how Pluto operates. Pluto is basically the inner truth inside yourself that you do not want to accept, that you're scared to show to the world, that you're scared to bring to the surface, you're scared to expose. However, Pluto is that truth that will eventually set you free from the barriers, the bars, and the constraints that you keep for yourself. When you're able to shine a light on your shadow side, when you're able to shine the light onto your darker side, that is when you make everything as to who you are at your true essence known, when you make your authentic self known, and when you do not need to hide anything anymore, and when you can just operate in your ultimate form and your ultimate sense of being. Wherever Pluto is also present in your natal chart, it will bring a sense of, I need to hide this. So if Pluto, for example, is in your 4th house, this is your house of family and your house of early childhood and early life. It could be that you might have had some dark experiences in your early childhood or in your early life. And because of this, you prefer to hide this aspect of yourself from the world. You do not share anything about your early childhood to the world. You do not share anything about your early life to the world or your early family. This is an aspect to yourself that you keep hidden, that you keep tucked away, and that you do not want to show and that you do not want to expose, because it could be that you are fearful of this. So that is also basically an example of how wherever Pluto energy is manifested, it is an aspect to yourself that you will keep hidden. Some negative keywords associated with Pluto are abuse, compulsions, dark drives, darkness, death, decay, destruction, elimination, and endings. Some of the positive keywords associated with Pluto are evolving, rebirth, courage to face the darkness, and power focused on self-transformation. So the purpose of this video today is to encourage you guys to go have a look at your Pluto placements in your natal charts and to see which area of your life to start looking into in order for you to really start understanding how you can change and evolve that aspect of your life, in order for you to be reborn and transformed into the person you do need to eventually be transformed into. So I do hope that you guys enjoyed my video on Pluto, and I hope that this video helped you guys understand Pluto and its energy a little bit more. If you guys have anything to add, please let me know in the comments. If you guys want to see some more astrology content, subscribe to my channel, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I did leave the links to my social media, my Fiverr, and my website in the description to this video if you would like to follow me or possibly get in touch with me and get a reading from me. I will be doing a series on Pluto in the houses as well as the signs in order for you guys to get a better understanding on that as well. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.